In 2023, nearly 282 million people faced high levels of acute food insecurity in 59 countries, and extreme weather was the second most significant factor driving this food crisis. These alarming figures were revealed by the 2024 Global Report on Food Crisis. Food insecurity refers to the lack of access to the kind and amount of food necessary for each member of a household to lead an active and a healthy lifestyle. Conflict was the primary driver that was escalating the food crisis in 2023, especially in conflict hotspots, notably Palestine and Sudan. In 20 countries, conflict was the main reason for the food crisis, directly affecting 135 million people. If we see overall, 1 in 5 people assessed by the researchers of this report were in need of critical urgent action. Largely driven by conflict situations in both Sudan and Gaza, the number of forcibly displaced people reached 90 million in the 59 countries. This figure highlights the high correlation between displacement and acute food insecurity. Sudan is facing one of the worst food crises in the world, with almost a third of the population in need of emergency food aid. Now coming to extreme weather events, they were the main reason for food crisis in 18 countries, with over 72 million people facing high levels of acute food insecurity. The El Nino event and climate change related weather phenomena made 2023 the hottest year on record, and many countries were grappling with prolonged recovery from either drought or flooding. After conflict and weather extremes, economic shocks were the third main driver in at least 21 countries. The report analyzed a population of 1.3 billion in 2023 across 59 countries. The share of the analyzed population facing high levels of acute food insecurity was marginally lower than in 2022. However, the number of people affected has increased by 24 million since 2022. This made 2023 the fifth consecutive year of such rising numbers. This year-on-year increase in 2023 was mainly due to increased analysis coverage as well as deterioration of food security in some countries. The report shows that children and women are the most affected by the hunger crisis, with over 36 million children under 5 years of age acutely malnourished across 32 countries. Meanwhile, food security also improved in 17 countries between 2022 and 23, and due to this improvement, 7.2 million fewer people faced high levels of acute food insecurity.